Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to tell you how you can do a JMeter performance testing certification for free. So let's get started. So for that, first you need to go to on a Google and search for BlazeMeter University. And you can see there is a link which is populating. So you have to click on the university.blazemeter.com. So if you open the website, it will ask you for the login. So I haven't registered on this website, so I'll just register on the website. So you have to add your Gmail ID from which you have to do a certification course. So this is my mail ID. I'll register into it. So it shows if you have an account. So what I will do, I'll just check technicalnick.official@gmail.com. So what I have to do, I'll just enter a login details. So you have to confirm your account before continue. So before this, I have registered on the website and I haven't confirmed my email ID with the website. So what I will do, I will just open my Gmail account and I'll confirm. So there is one confirmation mail which I need to click on. So I'll just confirm that token. So once the confirmation is done, what it will show, yeah, it will go to your name and surname details which will be printed on the certificate. So I'll just add my details and I'll save it. So my account has been created successfully. Now you can see I have logged into my account. So in this, and there is one learning path also which is already added into my account. So if you want to do a JMeter course, what you can do, you can just search for the JMeter and you will see there are few courses which are populating, like the JMeter Intro, JMeter Pro. So you can just open one of them, JMeter Intro, and in this you can see uh, it is not started, enrolled on 3rd of November, which is today's date. Due date is 3rd of December. So on this you can see the content of the JMeter syllabus. So this is nothing but the introduction, installing the JMeter and plugin, first building blocks, knowledge check, common elements, and everything which is there present in the presenter for the JMeter. So once you start the course, you have to give an exam for the JMeter exam, which is nothing but the BlazeMeter Webware exam. So you see, these are the topics which are included for the exam. So once the course is completed, you will get, this course contains a final exam. So it will have a exam. To complete the course, you must the final exam with the score. So yeah, so if you want the certificate from this exam, you have to pass the exam with the 90% or higher. And once the course is completed, you will get a certificate for validating a course completion and the JMeter badge. So if I want to check how the exam format will be, so you will see the 20 minutes will be available for the exam and the 20 questions will be there for the exam. So for passing, they have a 90% of criteria, and if you score the less than 90%, that will be a fail. So this is the certification exam. Apart from this, if I go to my dashboard, I can see a learning path. So if I go to the learning path, you will see it is a performance testing pro. So if I open this, there are total 4 courses which are available in this. So just let me check. Yeah, this one. So you see there are 4 courses, that is JMeter Intro, JMeter Pro, Master, BlazeMeter Performance Testing, and the Complete Taurus course. So this is nothing but, these all are nothing but the Performance Testing Pro. So if once you've done the JMeter Intro, you can just go with the JMeter Pro and other courses. So you will get a 4 certifications. So yeah, that's it guys. You can just go to this website and perform your certification for the JMeter testing, and apart from that, there are few other courses also which you can check out. So yeah, thank you for watching.